Hello students, now today you will study the exercise 14.1 of chapter 4 statistics. There is a first question given, number of plants in a survey, how many houses there are between 0 to 2 plants, 2 to 4 plants. A survey saying you that there is a 20 plants in 20 families are there. Sigma Fi is given. You want to find out the mean plant per family. For this calculation, you will calculate the xi 0 to plus 2 by 2 1, 4 plus 2 6 by 2 3. So gap between the two means class size is given 2. So we will add the 2 into all and we get the sigma this x1 x2 up to xn, and then here product 1 1 ja 1, 3 2 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 9 6 ja 54, 11 2 ja 22, 13 3 ja 39. It is given in this. Simply you are seeing all the values are given here 1 2 1 5 6 2 3, and then multiply you are getting direct method x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Put the value sigma fi, you will calculate, add all, and what result you are getting 6 plus 1 7, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and this 32. 6, 11, 12, 13, 3, 16, 162. 162 upon 20 gives you 81 upon 10. 2 8 ja, and that is 8.1. Your mean is this. Question number 2 is given. Which method you are applying? Because small values are there, we will use the direct method. In the question number 2 it is given, consider the following distribution table for 50 workers where wages are given, daily wages are given. What are the wages given in the rupees? That is given 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. It is given the wages and total of these all the numbers, number of person, that is called Fi is given. That is 12 14 8 6, 12 14 8 6 and 10. Total how much? 50. There are 50 workers in the family. You want to find the mean wages per person. Appropriate method. So because the values, first you find out xi. You will find out the xi, and xi will be the class mark. 100 plus 240 means 220 by 2 110, 130, 140 50, 170, 180, 90, 190. It is the given 190, 190. It is called xi. You are getting the xi. Xi will be some 260, 13, 26, like this. Difference class size you add in all, you are getting this. Xi you apply the deviation method. What is the deviation method? Xi is minus E. What is the A? Assume the mean method. Step deviation method is another thing. So Fi di. How will you do? Out of this 1 you will get, I am taking A as a 150. In front of this both will be 0. Because it is a difference of 20 in each class size. So 20 is here, you will get minus 20 and minus 40, plus 20 and plus 40. 12, 480, 280, 6 2 ja 12, 120, 10 4 ja 40, 400. And then add all, you are getting 520. Add all, you are getting minus 6, 760. So what is the difference? You are getting minus 4. 240 is the, what is called, it is called sigma Fi di, because big calculation, so you are getting. So x bar is equal to a plus d bar, that is a plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. Put the values 150 plus minus 240 by 50. You are getting 150 minus 5 4 ja 20, 5 8 the 40. 145.2. 145.2. You are getting the daily wages of the dispersion. Question number 3 of this exercise is given. There is a question number 3. I have used the deviation method, assumed mean method, which is called. And then in the third question it is given, the mean is given 18. Mean is given, x bar is given 18. You want to calculate the missing frequency. And the class interval is given 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. It is given the daily pocket allowance. Daily pocket allowance is given, and then number of persons are given here. Fi. Fi is given in different forms. What is given? How will you calculate it? It is very important, because there is a missing frequency is given. Missing frequency you want, it is given 7 6 9 13, 7 6 9 13 F 5 and 4. So xi will calculate first. You want to find out f. You want to find out f here. So what will you do here? Xi 12, 24 by 2, 12 plus 2, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. It is xi. So apply the deviation method, di. Di is equal to xi minus a, and then we'll calculate fi di. Then it is very simple to calculate. How? What is the total given? It is a 44 plus f. It is called sigma fi. Then xi you will calculate here. What is the f in front of this? You take the assumed mean a. A is equal to 20. In front of this you will write 0. It is easy. I am not taking 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 18. At the place of this I am taking 20. Then multiply here. What is the difference given? 2. 2 is given. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 you will get here, and plus 2 and plus 4. What is the class size? That you will get. 8 7 ja 56, 6 6 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36, 13 2 ja 26. Here 5 2 ja 10 and 4 4 ja 16. So what are you getting here? Plus 26, and here minus 154. So sum will be 8 and 4 minus 2, 2. 128. What are you getting? 128 with negative sign. You are getting, it is called sigma fi di. Put the value x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. 18 is the x bar given here. A is 20 plus minus 128 divided by 44 plus f. So 18 minus 20 is equal to minus 128 upon 44 plus f. So you will get minus 2. Minus 2 into 44 plus f is equal to minus 128. So minus 88 plus minus 2f is equal to minus 128. Transpose minus 88 plus 128 is equal to 2f. 2f I am taking that side. So 40 upon 2 is equal to f. Then f will be 20. What is your answer coming? 20 is the missing frequency. That you can take here also 18. Then here 0, then 18 will be at this place 18 minus 18 0. Then also you can get your answer. So it is a very common and easy question which you will calculate. Question number 4 is given here. Question number 4. What is the question number 4 is given? The same condition you will apply. Number of heart beats per minute. Number of heartbeat per minute. Heartbeat per minute. Given how much? 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. It is given, class size is given 3. And the Fi is given, number of person, women is given 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Total women are 30 women. Here is 30 given. 30. What is sigma Fi is given directly. You want to find out heartbeat per person. Choosing the suitable method per minute, per person, per woman you want. So main feature of this, what will you do? You find out Xi. What will you find out? Xi. Step deviation, very shortcut method also you can apply here. Class size is same, then you can use the shortcut method. Here, what will you get? 13. If you don't know, what will you get? 65 plus 68 by 2. 133 by 2. 66.5. 66.5 you will get at the first. What is the class size? 3. 69.5. 72.5. 75.5. You add 3 in all. 78.5. 81.5. 84.5 that you are getting. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 leave there and then you get A. What is the A? You are getting 75.5. You are getting it is A. A is equal to 75 point. Assumed mean in front of this Xi column, Di column, Xi minus A. That will be 0. Here also you will get 0. Fi Di. Multiplication. 3 is the class size. So here you will get minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. Minus 9. Here you get plus 3, plus 6, plus 9. Because of this size, 9 to the 18, minus 18, 6 4 the 24, 3 3 the 9. 7 3 are 21, 4 6 are 24, 9 2 are 18. You are getting plus and minus both. Separately you add. Minus 51. Here 13, 63 plus 63. So it is greater than this. So what will you get? 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 6 minus 1, 1 plus 12. Sigma Fi di is equal to plus 12. Now x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. What is the a? A is given 75.5 plus 12 upon 30. 3 4 is 12, 3 10 is 30. What are you getting? 75.5 plus 0.4 gives you 75.9. What is your answer? You are getting 75.9 as a mean of this observation. It is a very simple and very easy question. 75. So you are getting the 75.9 is your answer. That is a very simple and easy question. How are you using? Direct method only you use FIDI, then decimal and multiplication, big value, big answer. But deviation method you use, it is very simple. Step deviation is also less than this calculation and easy also if you know the. That's all for today. In next lecture we will tell you some more.